Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the US dollar Canadian monthly time frame, I still think this is possibly a downtrend, maybe like a wave A or possibly a wave 1. It still looks like it possibly ended in ABC correction like a wave 2 or a wave B, and it still seems like it's more likely that this is actually in a downtrend, which if it's a wave C, it would probably go down to the 100% for like that. If it's a wave 3, it'll probably just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, and probably go below the 161.8%. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still believe this is the end of a correction. I still think this is a 1, ABC up, wave 2. It still looks like to me it's made a wave 3 and that it most likely is now in that wave 3 and that it most likely will continue to make lower lows and lower highs. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely have a little bit of a shape of a 3-4-5 right here, which we do need to be a little cautious about, but it still, to me, looks like this move is very overlapping, and it looks like it is a correction. If it is a correction, then it will bounce off one of these fib levels, make a very impulsive move down, most likely break structure on the shorter time frames, and end up continuing the downtrend. It does seem most likely to me that it is going to make a lower high, and just keep on trending down in a big wave 3 based on like the weekly and monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this definitely looks like an impulsive downtrend. I still think this looks like a very overlapping corrective pattern, and I still think there's a very good chance that we will end up turning down. So until I actually see like a break of structure to the downside, I'm not really going to believe that this correction is over. If I do see a break of structure to the downside, then I'll know the correction is over, and I'll know it is the continuation of the downtrend. But until that happens, definitely be cautious because it kind of seems like it may end up going up to like the 61.8 and maybe even the 78.6 before it really does end that correction and continue the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely have a break of structure on the 1 hour, but that doesn't tell us anything except for this one wave is over. This move down very easily could be a correction to that wave, and it very easily could end up continuing up. So if you do see 3 waves down and you do see an impulsive move up, I would actually take that as a long opportunity and at least trade it back up to the 61.8% Fibonacci level for the continuation of most likely a correction on the longer time frames. Right now, this is the structure level that's going to tell me that the correction really is over. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.